Do you want skin that literally glows like glass? Clear, smooth, radiant, just like those stunning Korean beauty icons? Well, get ready, because today I'm revealing the real steps behind the famous Korean glass skin, and no, it's not about expensive products, it's about smart skincare. Korean skincare starts with double cleansing. First, use an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and dirt. Then, follow it up with a gentle foam cleanser to clean your pores deeply. This step is non-negotiable. Exfoliate with a mild chemical exfoliant, like AHA or BHA, to remove dead skin cells. This helps in brightening the skin and preventing clogged pores. Glass skin equals hydrated skin. Use a hydrating toner, not the alcohol-based ones. Pat it into your skin, don't rub. Use a vitamin C serum or hyaluronic acid serum. This targets dark spots and plumps the skin from inside. Lock in all the layers with a gel-based or cream moisturizer depending on your skin type. Never skip this. And finally, the most important step: sunscreen. Glass skin is not possible if UV rays are damaging your skin every day. And wait! Here are 3 bonus tips. Drink plenty of water. 2. Use a humidifier if your room is dry. 3. Stay consistent. Korean skincare is a lifestyle, not a one-day miracle. Glass skin is not about perfection, it's about care. Start slow, stay consistent, and your skin will thank you. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and hit that subscribe button.